Other components 1 mega ohms, maybe 1 million ohms variable resistor or potentiometer, 4.7 k ohms variable resistor, 100 UF capacitor, 4007 diode or any diode, 12 volt LED light and a piece of LM324 IC. 4.7 k variable resistor connect with IC pin 2, 4 and 11. One million ohms resistor connect with IC pin 3, 4. Diode connect with IC pin 3 and 4, but you must remember the diode anode and cathode. Under UF capacitor connect with IC pin 3 and negative supply, it means IC pin 11. We get output from IC pin 1. Here you can use relay to control any device. Connect with 12 volt battery. You can adjust delay time, varies the 1 million ohms variable resistor. Dear friends, if you want to more long delay time, you use here 2 million, 4 million, 10 million or 20 million ohms variable resistor. We will learn how to make a temperature sensor circuit using LM393 IC. As you know, the LM393 IC is a dual differential comparator IC. LM393 IC can operate 2 volts to 36 volts. We use components LM393 IC, 10K thermistor, 50K variable resistor or potentiometer. First, we test thermistor working. Take a multimeter. You can see multimeter screen show 6.9K resistor. My room temperature is near about 36 degrees Celsius. So the 10K thermistor show near about 7K resistor. When we up the temperature, resistor value go down. Again temperature down the thermistor, resistor value got up. 50K variable resistor connect with IC pin 3, 4 and 8. Other 50K variable resistor connect with IC pin 2 and 8. Thermistor resistor connect with IC pin 2 and 4. We get output from IC pin 1. I am using here LED light for testing. You can use here buzzer alarm or relay to control any device. But remember, in this circuit, when temperature up, the light off, and temperature got down, light will be on. If you want opposite side, it means temperature up, light will on. Connect LED light positive side with IC pin 1. Adjust the variables where you want to control any device. We learn how to make a adjustable flip-flop flasher using LM324 IC. We use components 2 million ohms variable resistor, 1k ohm resistor, 100k ohm resistor, 0.1 UF capacitor, some LED diodes, LM324 IC, 100k resistor connect with IC pin 1 and 3, 2 million ohms variable resistor connect with IC pin 3, 4 and 11. .1 UF capacitor connect with IC pin 2 and 11. Second 2 million ohm variable resistor connect with IC pin 1 and 2. One side LED diode connect with positive supply. Second LED diode connect with negative power supply. Here you can connect more and more LEDs. We get output from IC pin 1. 1k resistor connect with IC pin 1 and LED diode. Second same. Connect 12 volt battery. You can adjust flashing rate very slow and very fast. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.